Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about Shiba coin. What is the next target of Shiba coin? As you know, today is the first day of a new month. That is why I decide to detect the next target of Shiba coin on the basis of technical analysis. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new to my channel, so kindly subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Now I'm waiting, kindly subscribe now friends. You subscribe my channel, thank you so much for subscribing my channel. I know you subscribe my channel, so once again thank you so much friends. Now let's talk about the current price of Shiba coin. So the current price is about 0.00002 USD dollar is the current price of Shiba coin friends. First of all, if you want to invest in a Shiba coin, so I think it's the best investment. It's the best investment. As you can see, the price is very low and the chance is only positive, so they will make you millionaire and this new month friends. The whole changes is positive friends, so that's mean that the previous period is a good period of the Shiba coin friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart. As you can see, that is the last 1 month price prediction chart. I mean that is the April price chart of the Shiba coin friends. If we look the price change occur in the Shiba coin, so positive 300 700 to 12.21% positive change occur in the Shiba coin, and the highest price is about 0.0004 USD dollar is the highest price of Shiba coin friends. And now the current price, as you can see here, 0.000002 USD dollar is the current price of Shiba coin friends. If we look the current situation, what is the next target of Shiba coin? So it is clear, as you can see here, at this time that he could jump in, so that's mean that the jumping period of Shiba coin starts now, and now they are in the jumping mode. So if this kind of jumping continue and the Shiba coin, so I think they can soon hit a 1 USD dollar friends. So what's your opinion about Shiba coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel.